You're probably familiar with the coins that everyone seems to want, like the 1-ounce gold American Eagle, 1-ounce gold Krugerrand, and 1-ounce gold Maple Leaf. But you do have other options that can offer opportunities for more variety and liquidity. One of the ways bullion gold coins are measured is by their weight. They can also be measured by gold purity. Fractional gold coins are those that contain a fractional amount of gold, less than 1 ounce. Fractional coins are legal tender and have face value, but they're not meant to be used as currency. The price of a fractional coin tends to decrease as the weight decreases, though there are some exceptions if a coin is highly sought after or incredibly unique. Perhaps the most popular fractional gold coins are gold American Eagles. Produced at the West Point Mint, the gold coins come in 1 ounce, half ounce, quarter ounce, and 10th ounce sizes. Because the U.S. government backs them for their gold content, weight, and purity, gold American Eagle coins are recognized in markets worldwide and represent about 80% of the gold bullion in circulation in the U.S. Fractional gold coins can offer several advantages, including affordability. Fractional gold coins generally cost less than their heavier counterparts since they contain less gold. Diversity. Diversifying is not only about purchasing different precious metals and coins, it's about incorporating different coin weights as well. Flexibility. You can't sell a portion of a 1-ounce coin. However, you can liquidate a fractional coin to receive the desired funds. Giftability. While gifting a 1-ounce coin can be cost prohibitive, fractional gold coins make affordable and thoughtful gifts. Memory. A fractional gold coin, like the 1/10 ounce Iwo Jima gold bullion coin, offers a great opportunity for gold buyers to memorialize a significant point in history without breaking the bank. In the end, buying a fractional gold coin can be a great way to own a piece of a highly sought-after 1-ounce coin. Call U.S. Money Reserve to speak with a knowledgeable account executive and learn more about our selection of exclusive fractional gold coins. Click the link in the description to download your free Gold Information Kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio with precious metals.